So today I'm going to show you how to swap out an electrical outlet for a USB electrical outlet. It's pretty straightforward, and I'm sure following the proper safety procedures, anyone can do it. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the power to the outlet you're replacing is indeed off. And in a small space, I like to use a fan. In a larger area, or in a situation where the breaker box is in the garage, for example, then a good tool to use for that is plugging in a portable radio so that you can tell when you have found the correct breaker for the outlet you're working on. So with those safety procedures in mind, let's dive right in. So if you just had one hot and one neutral, then you would move the wires to the side of the new outlet. But because there's two of each, you stick them in the holes in the back. This is the hot side and this is the neutral side. So black is hot and white is neutral. And then I also have a green screw here for grounding, and a green screw is always for grounding. So let's get this out of here. Okay, I got the outlet off, and rather than clip and restrip these wires, which I was never very good at even when I was young, I'm just gonna straighten these out and reuse them. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, we have two hot wires and two neutrals. So you stick them in the holes in the back like I showed you. So now we do pass the tug test on all of our wires and our ground. So we're just going to stuff this back in there. Okay, after much consternation, I got it back in the hole, and at this point it is Lions 0, Christians 1. Where's that little hole at? See, there's teeny tiny little holes right here on each end that these screw into. Looks like it'll be better if I start them first. Okay, now see if I can get my X-ray vision going here. There we go. Let me get this one in. And I don't want to put it too tight. Okay, so now that that's on, the decorative plate goes on. And we've got these prongs that clip into these holes here. Like thusly. And now we'll turn the fan back on. Or plug the fan in. And that concludes our demonstration of how to swap out an electrical outlet with a USB outlet. Thank you so much.